Hey yo, I'm back again with another video. It's G Beto G. I'm back again today with the Colombian trap beat. So make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this Colombian trap beat today in the home studio, in the house studio. So make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this Colombian trap beat. It's going to be a nice beat. It's going to be a fire. The tempo I'm going to use today is going to be 130 BPM that I'm going to use to produce this trap beat. Make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this Colombian trap beat. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Let's get started. Let's get started producing the trap beat, a Colombian trap beat in my FL Studio. This is my FL Studio. I'm going to right click and just press open and just wait for it to load a little bit and open. When it's finally open, I'm going to start producing my trap beat. It's loading. As you can see the Apple FL Studio and it has opened. Now I'm going to click here on add and pick my plugin, and after picking my plugin I'm going to pick my preset. Today I'm going to be using Kepler for my plugin. After I've choose my plugin, I'm going to click on my channel rack, left click and hold the left click button on my mouse and turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 5. Then now I'm going to click on my plugin, click here and click on presets. As you can see, these are my presets, so I'm going to choose the right one that sounds very good. If I pick the one that does not sound very good, I'm going to change it and make sure I pick the right one that sounds very good to create this Colombian trap beat. Now I'm going to pick this one, so I'm going to play the notes. As you can see, I'm playing my piano now and it's sounding very good. I'm going to use this one because I've played it and it sounds very good. Now I'm going to program my beat, create my beat, so you have to follow along as I'm going to create this beat, produce this beat. Make sure you follow along. Now this is how I'm creating my Colombian trap beat. This is my tempo, 130 BPM. I'll start creating my note like this. This is my Colombian trap beat. As you can see, I first of all created the two first bars, then I've pressed Ctrl B and copy it to the bar number 8. Now I'm going to program my bass melodies. I'm going to program my bass melody like this. Now I'm going to press Ctrl A and pitch the note down, or I'll pitch it up like this. Now I'm going to mix it by adding the fruity reverb too. Now I'm going to right click again, click on piano roll and press Ctrl A and pitch it down again. Now Now I'm going to click on add and take this blocking called hammer. I'm going to left click, hold the key, the left click button, and turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 6. As you can see on my mixer, it is here. And I'm going to right click and click on piano roll. Now I'm going to add a filter parametric P2. And then on the second melody, I'm going to add a filter reverb too. I'm going to pick my hat now by right clicking and pick my hat. Now I'll put the 2 bars pattern on my hat. I'm going to left click on it and highlight it, press Ctrl and B, number 8 bars. And on my mixer, I'm going to turn up the hi-hat and add the sound womanizer. I'm going to right click on piano roll. I'm going to press Ctrl A and pitch it up. I'm going to add another sound womanizer. Then I'm going to pick my snare. Now I'll program my snare. I'm going to turn up the snare right up and add the sound womanizer. Then I'm going to pick my kick. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm going to click on my kick and click on the both icon. Then I will left click and hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheels up and basic. That's the main source. Now I'm going to left click on my pattern here. Where my mouse is here, I'm going to left click and split by chaining. Split by chaining and click on some. And click here. That's it. Now I'm going to program everything. I'm just clicking on my instrument I'm going to program and just clicking back on my playlist to bring them in. Then I will left click, pull it, drag, highlight it, and that is your left. Press Ctrl and D. That's it. I'm making it longer. I'm going to remove the intro. Then I'm going to left click, pull it, highlight it, bring it to your left, and press Ctrl and D to make it longer. Now I'm going to create the space for an intro and outro. This is my intro. Then here I'm going to remove the hi-hats, and here I'm going to remove the snare. Then I'll play back a bit. I'm going to play back a bit. That's it. Let's play automation. Then I'm going to spice up the beat here. I'm going to spice up the beat here like this. And I'm going to add an automation again. Now this is the intro. Let's listen to the full Colombian trap beat. This is the outro. Make sure you subscribe.